Welcome to Smart Crypto, the channel where you will learn how to make money in the crypto market. Hi, my name is Luke, and in this video we will explain why having a correct mindset is crucially important for all aspiring and experienced traders. No, this is not a flashy video on trading strategies promising incredible win rates and unbelievable rates of return. No, this is not another video on a sexy trading robot promising to triple your account in 1 month with no drawdown. I'm not kidding you. These are all real videos you can find on YouTube. If they exist, why aren't we all wealthy and rich beyond our wildest dreams, especially those who are selling these products and services? That's right, because they do not exist. The harsh truth is, trading does not come easily. It needs dedication and especially mindset. And yes, I agree, a video on a trader's mindset might sound a little bit boring at first, but trust me, it is essential if you are serious about becoming a consistent and successful trader. I remember when I started out with trading in the 1980s, fundamental analysis was considered the only proper way to make trading decisions. Fundamental analysis attempts to take into consideration all the variables that could affect the balance or imbalance between supply and demand of a financial asset. Using mathematical models that weigh the importance of the various variables, analysts would project future price levels. This is also called econometric modeling. The fact that these models make logic projections based on relevant variables is not of much value when the traders who are responsible for most of the volume are not aware of your models, or simply do not believe in it. Soon, technical analysis started to develop. Technical analysis is the observation that traders tend to develop behavioral patterns and repeat those behaviors over and over again in time. In a sense, technical analysis allows to get into the mind of the market, to anticipate what's likely to happen next, based on the kind of patterns the market generates at some previous point of time. Doing so, technical analysis turns the market into an endless stream of opportunities to enrich oneself. Then why, if technical analysis works so well, why are only so few traders consistently successful? To answer this question, you must shift your focus from technical analysis of the market to mental analysis of yourself, meaning your own individual trading psychology. There is a big difference between predicting that something will happen in the market and the reality of getting in and out of a trade. This difference, let's call it mental gap, makes trading one of the most difficult professions and certainly one of the most mysterious to master. Only with the correct trader's mindset you'll be able to close this mental gap and become a consistent, successful trader. Once you master this mindset, the money which is constantly flowing in the market comes within your grasp, and you can virtually take it all at will. There are some limitations, of course, but for the most part, money will flow into your account with ease and effortlessness that it boggles most other people's mind. Wouldn't we all love to be in this position? What do you need to get this mindset? In short, a unique set of attitudes that will allow you to remain disciplined, focused, and above all, confident in spite of adverse conditions. As a result, you will no longer be susceptible to fear and common trading errors that plague everyone else. In this video and other video sessions to come on this subject, You will learn how to adjust your attitudes and beliefs about trading in such a way that you can trade without fear, but at the same time keep a framework in place that does not allow you to become reckless. The successful trader that you want to become is a future projection of yourself that you have to grow into. At the core of the trader's mindset lies the following contradiction. Freedom is the reason why people get into trading, and at the same time the reason why so many are failing. Let me explain this in more detail. I realize that the following explanation is technical and may sound boring, but if you do not have the patience and discipline to sit this through, it does not predict a bright and consistent trading future for you. What makes trading so attractive? What are the reasons to get into trading activity? Is it the action, euphoria, desire to be a hero, attention you get when you are winning, or self-pity when you are losing? The true underlying attraction to trading is freedom. Unlimited creative freedom of expression. In a trading environment, there are no rules. We must make our own rules. An endless stream of opportunities offered by the market, combined with unlimited freedom of action, present the trader with unique and specific mental challenges. Challenges that very few people are properly equipped to deal with, or even have any awareness of. Therefore, so few people become successful in trading. To solve this dilemma, the successful traders have created internal mental structures, which you can compare with a set of internal rules, or a trading plan if you want. The market itself does not provide any structure. It only provides information in the form of behavioral patterns that indicate when an opportunity to sell or to buy exists. If traders want to make sure that they act always in their own best interest, they must set limits to their behavior, create internal rules in the form of risk limitations before entering any trade, implicitly acknowledging that each trade has a probabilistic outcome. The problem with rules is that we all agree on the one hand that rules make sense, but we really have no intention of doing whatever is being suggested. That is because most of the rules result out of our social upbringing and are based on choices other people have made for us. In other words, the rules have been forced into our minds, but did not originate in our minds. Some of these external rules go against our perceived needs, beliefs, and desires, and that results in emotional pain, which explains our innate resistance against any kind of rules, be it internal or external. As a result, the challenge for every trader is not only making his own set of rules, but having the discipline to follow his trading plan. Awareness is the first step towards success, but ultimately it takes a lot of pain and frustration to break down the source of your own resistance to establishing and abiding by a trading plan that is organized, consistent, and reflects prudent money management guidelines. The trader only is responsible for making his own set of internal rules or trading plan. Remember, nothing happens until you decide to start. It lasts as long as you want, and it does not end until you decide to stop. Moreover, all these actions are a result of your interpretation of the information that the market makes available to you, and how you choose to act on that interpretation. What should you remember from this video? Mastering mental analysis is the secret to consistent success as a trader. Freedom attracts traders to the market, but also lies at the basis why most of them fail. The first step in overcoming this dilemma is awareness and understanding. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in finding out more, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and in life and well-being, see you in our next video.